Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the border style. So if you're just creating border for something, you just want to change the normal line style to different style, so you can use this option on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the border style on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video on your computer. So first of all, for example, I just drawing any borders. You can say I just draw border, so it's look like a normal border line. If you are just taking the girl line border, it's look also normal. So just want to change this, you just click on this, you will see a border style. So there is a lot of different styles here. So for an example, this is one of the style, and this is other style, and you can see another style look like a double line style if you just need it. So you can have a close look how the design changes, and here click on this and just change the border style, and you can just use any of the style to create your own borders for your values in your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable Excel content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.